What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Suptig Motorized Panaramic PTZ. Now this is just a little view of what the box looks like. So this is a tripod mount so that you can do panoramic pictures. So I'm gonna crack it open and I'm gonna show you guys the contents of the box. So comes with a little bag that says Suptig on it to put all your stuff in. Your power hookup. Little instruction manual in Chinese. Always good to have. A little screw. Some Chinese person's hair was in the box. Now, the part you've all been waiting for. Well, this is what we got. So it's got an on-off button, second button, degree, mode, and minute. It's got a little micro USB hookup in the back. Man, there's a lot of hair on this thing. What in the world? Now, these are the contents of the box. I'm gonna plug it in real quick. So a little red dot appeared when I turned it on. Then the modes come up. One says 360. There's a power button, like power bar to show you how much battery you got left. And up there it says 60 seconds. It's kind of hard to see. No. When I press on, it just starts rotating really slowly. So that'll help you take a really good panoramic shot. Got a bunch of different modes you can mess with. You can make it go for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes. If you want to go for seconds, you can put it on 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 100 seconds. Now I turned it off. Now this was just a little unboxing video to show you guys what all comes with it. This screws on right here, I believe. Now, check my channel for more updates to come. I'm going to mess around with this product a little bit more. I'm going to do another review on it. Thanks for checking this out. I got tons of other videos and content coming out, so subscribe, comment, leave me a little bit of input. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Thanks you, and thumbs up.